Controlling the motor's acceleration time with parameters. We have a few different parameters that affecting the acceleration a lot. Um, of course, the main thing that affecting our acceleration is the different application, heavy start or normal start. So if it's a hard start to start, then it will take longer. Or if it's a light start, it will take shorter. But we can also affect this with different kind of parameters. So let us start with the ramp time versus acceleration. And the faster acceleration you want to have, the shorter ramp time of the voltage you need to set. For the PSTX, PZ, and PSR, you can set it to 1 second. And then you get a really quick voltage ramp. And acceleration time will be faster. On the other spectrum, on the other side, we want a slower acceleration. You can set it to a longer ramp-up time. So for the PSTX, you have 120 seconds, PSE 30, and PSR 20 seconds. And that will make your acceleration slower and longer time to start the motor. If you look at the current limit versus acceleration, this we can only set with the PSTX and PSE. And if we want a slower acceleration, we set to a lower current limit. Default value is for a good value. I should not say default because it's different. Default is normally the highest is 7.5 or 7 times the IE. And then you get a really quick acceleration and get the maximum current taking out from your network. But a good middle ground that we know that most application will start from, it's 4 times IE. But if you look at if you want a slower acceleration, you can play with the current limit and lower the nominal current by reducing the amount of current. So the minimum you can put in is 1.5. But here we need to be really careful because here you can get that the motor will not actually start, or it will start but will never reach full speed and always be in ramp. And then over time it will trip on electronic overload. So here we need to be careful so we know that our application actually getting up to full speed and the motor start to rotate. And then we have the last parameter that affecting acceleration, and that is the initial voltage. So in what voltage what percentage we're gonna start to ramp up the voltage. A good starting point is 30%. Then we get the motor to rotate as quick as possible, so it's not standing there stalling and heating up the motor. But if we look at if we want slow acceleration, we set it to the minimum, and PSTX is 10%, PSE is 30%, and PSR is 40%, the minimum initial voltage. And if we want faster acceleration, we go to the other side and increase the initial voltage where the voltage should start from. And here we have PSTX, we have 99% voltage, and we have the PSE 70% and PSR 70%. And that will make your acceleration quicker because you're applying more voltage at the same time. That is 3 parameters that are affecting acceleration, and you can play on to get a longer or shorter start. But a good starting time of a motor is between 5 to 10 seconds. There is a really good window to get the application up and running as quick as possible, but still minimize the torque and the inrush current as much as possible.